Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold fell 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. According to the Ultimate Oscillator, we are in an oversold market. The euro dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Global investors are losing confidence in securities linked to shares of companies in the world's geopolitical hotspots, investors and analysts said, after Moscow moved to delist Russian depository receipts from foreign exchanges in retaliation for Western sanctions over the war in Ukraine. Binance Exchange, the largest cryptocurrency trading platform by trading volume, is set to delist all Cardano and Polygon perpetual contracts this week, a move driven by regulatory clampdown by the recent US Securities and Exchange Commission. South Korea's largest telco, SK Telecom, said it will invest $100 million in US artificial intelligence firm Anthropic to strengthen its telecommunications-driven AI business. Anthropic is among the most well-funded AI firms, having raised $450 million from investors, including Google.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's claimant count change will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Germany's ZEW survey, current situation, at 0900 hours GMT. The Eurozone's ZEW survey, economic sentiment, at 0900 hours GMT. Japan's industrial production will be released at 0430 GMT. The US export price index at 1230 GMT. The UK's employment change at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.